Guys, today we'll be exploring the Hyderabad metro. So let's go and explore it. So guys, today we are going to explore about the Hyderabad metro station and how the railway structure is here in metro particular. Raidurg station, which is very near Sirtroni Raidurg. So let's explore this. We'll go from this way. That is the station which is quite visible. That one. So let's go. This is IKEA. Hyderabad is the first city where IKEA has opened its center. This is Swedish company for furniture and home decoration. Chalo guys, let's go. This is the platform and this is very beautiful view. You can see that. Very beautiful. IKEA is there. Now we are heading towards Secunderabad. We'll take the ticket and we'll tell you. People are coming out. So here we have taken the ticket. You can see that. Now we'll enter. So now we are heading towards platform 2. So every step burns your half calorie, half 1.5. You can see that. The Hyderabad metro. This you can see that board is written in Hindi, English and Telugu, 3 languages. We have to go towards this way. Train is about to come. Here frequency is less as compared to Delhi metro. People are waiting. Chalo, now this train is coming. We'll enter and after reaching the station we'll tell you, and in the station what facilities are there, I mean in the train we'll tell you. Train has come, I think. COVID people are very less here. Sufficient seat is here, you can see that. Easily you will get seat. My bag is here, American Tourister, which I am carrying for last 4-5 years. Sanitization worker come. This is I think starting. So Raidurg. We boarded on Raidurg. First station. We will go a little deeper. Starting here.
Please stand away from the doors.
Now it will start. I think you can see that there is no people. Almost empty. So that's all. We'll sit here.
This train is under CCTV surveillance.
Under CCTV surveillance. Here KBC you can watch. Bean, Mr. Bean video also comes. कहाँ जा रहे हैं आप? सिकंदराबाद. No, he is going Secunderabad.
Please stand away from the doors.
Train is moving. You can see that now. Train is moving. We'll board on in Paradise. Chalo guys, see you there. Now we have reached Yusufpura. Show station. stations more to reach Paradise. 6 stations more. Chalo then, see you there. Very good view. You can see from here all the cities. Actually, this metro passes through middle of the city almost. This is Yusuf Gouda. Still very less people coming here. So where we have reached Jubilee Hills. You can see the urban agglomeration from the metro. Most of the metro here does not undergo underground like Delhi.
Wear a mask and maintain physical distance throughout the metro journey. Non-compliance affects passenger safety. Thank you.
Still this guy is here since beginning.
మాస్క్ తప్పనిసరిగా ధరించండి మరియు భౌతిక దూరాన్ని పాటించండి ధన్యవాదములు
You can see the view, very beautiful. Now we have reached Jubilee Hills, one of the posh area. Going out, we just get down on Paradise station. Now we are going outside the station. So that's all guys from Hyderabad metro station tour. For related video, stay tuned guys. That's all from Hyderabad metro station. That's all. Here is bus stand, you can see that. So this was the exit. We have just exit at the Paradise station, and near just beside it there is Hyderabad station. Now we are heading towards our destination. So that's all guys. This is pillar number 1266. Thank you guys. Stay tuned for related videos. That's all. So overall experience was very good. Right now COVID situation is going on, COVID time is there, so obviously there is very less number of people and it is less crowded. So far it has only 2-3 lines, blue line, red line and green line. So let's see. Chalo. Thank you guys. You can see the crowd while coming. Too much crowd. And this is in between. Once you get down Raidurg station, it is just adjacent King's Burger. Okay, here you can have it is just near to station, just 10 to 20 meters. So guys, while coming here we had burger and we enjoyed a lot. Thank you guys. So that's all tour of the Hyderabad metro. Stay tuned guys. Thanks.